Okay, my name is Jay and this is my 1973 Dodge Charger SE with a 440 and 3-speed automatic gearbox. Today I will replace power booster. I've got it from Wheelwood, and right, I check it. My original holding bracket is a little bit different. That's why I will not install it. Whole pattern is the same. Length of this this arm is the same. Then shouldn't be any problems with this. To hold this setup, I bought with the propulsion valve, also from Wheelwood. Right. In my car, the sensor for the propulsion valve is not connected anywhere. At least I not see any cable going to the electric installation. I just replaced it some time ago, and there is no cable for the propulsion valve. I have to check it. Maybe there is some kind of setup how to do this, how to connect it in the manual. At the moment I will not connect it. Right, I've got a set of screws. All this comes from Wheelwood. I've got additional arms, different sizes, but I will not use it because I will stick with my original setup. Also, holding brackets and the pipe work which goes from the master cylinder to propulsion valve. That we will install it. What we got? We also have bleeding kit. Okay, then I will start playing with this. I hope won't take too long. Okay, brake booster is free. Yeah, square hole patterns, 4 of them in B-body and Mopars. That is my original brake booster holder. You see, it's much longer than from the Wheelwood because everything holds. This bracket holds, support for the steering column. That's why I will leave it how it is and just screw new brake booster to the old one. Yeah, you see that? That's the 2 holes, and other 2 are inside from this side. Weirdly done. Why it's not outside, easy to access? Just they put it inside to makes matter worse. Right. Okay. Onwards. Okay. I just took off the whole brake fluid, and there is lots of rubbish in the bottom of it, and liquid looks now how it looks liquid from reservoir, cloudy, and that is quite fresh one. I put it in springtime, and it's already rubbish. Okay, to be able to reach the most awkward hole screw, I had to do some extensions, 3 of them they are, and I managed to reach it. And there is matter of the unscrew. There's last screw what I need to unscrew and should go out. Right, I try to use them, but well, it was difficult to me to put fingers over there to maneuver it, and didn't work, but it's straight 3 ones will do. And also, yeah, 1 second, right, you can see that's not original Mopar screws. Someone been doing something here, probably replacing it some time ago, because this car was repainted, as you can see. Original paint is light blue, and what I've got now is orange, well, Duke of Hazzard orange, or more or less you can say. And yeah, probably in 90s I would say was everything done, and now I just replace all the wires, everything, including the fuse box and everything's what is connected to it. Right, okay, time to finish this. Look for the original paint, it looks amazing. I don't know why someone changed it, but I prefer the factory paint. It's amazing, amazing light blue. Ah, yeah. Another day is today, and we will put this thing to the car today. I painted yesterday all the section to anti-corrosion paint, just to prevent any corrosion in the future. And now I need to unscrew propulsion valve from the arch area. To unscrew propulsion valve, I have to go to wheel arch and unscrew this this bolt. To do that, there is not much space in here, and the screw is very tight. I've done something like this. Yeah. About 40 centimeters long extensions, and then we can reach that beyond the wheel. Oh, there you go. Now we can screw it off. I finished installation. I had to drill a little bit holes for a little bit wider angles of the holes in the new brake buster. I've done it, and I had to keep all propulsion valve because it's very tight. I was unable to unscrew it. That's why I keep it the old one, and I bleed the master cylinder, but not bleed whole the brake system. That will be for another day, and that's pretty much everything.